Now the new thermistor probe is going to come pre-bent. Now, reinstall the probe into the same hole into the evaporator in which it came out of and push it all the way in. Once you do that, take the wire from the thermistor probe and put it into the first P-clamp, and we'll go ahead and start that screw. And then next we'll pass the probe wire into the second P-clamp and then into the stress relief. And then reinstall the stress relief into the control box. Once you have that done, go and reinstall the second P-clamp. And once you get those started, and tighten them up. And then reinstall the zip tie around the harness. And then remove the excess. Next, we'll take the end of the thermistor probe and plug it into the control box. And then we'll gather the wire. And then we'll neatly fold it up. And then we'll fasten it all together with another zip tie. And again, we'll cut off the excess and then reinstall the control box cover. So after all of that, we need to reinstall the upper housing. First thing we needed to remember is to plug in the lead that goes to the control board into this plug here on that bracket. So once we plug that in, we can take the front cover and slide it back onto the unit. Now, once that's done, we'll install the first 4 bolts minus the 2 middle ones. Tighten those up. Tighten up the 2 on the back. And finally, reinstall the last 2 bolts for the upper housing.